Welcome to our video dedicated to the Valkyrie XB-70, one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating details of this revolutionary machine, from its bold design to its impact on the aerospace industry. Join us on a captivating journey through the history and technology of the Valkyrie XB-70. A legendary aircraft that pushed the boundaries of aviation. In this episode, we'll explore the impressive features of this supersonic aircraft, its fascinating history, and its lasting impact on the aerospace industry. Make yourself comfortable and get ready for an unforgettable air journey. The Valkyrie XB-70, a symbol of innovation and progress in aviation. Designed in the 1960s by North American Aviation, this swept-wing supersonic aircraft was intended as a long-range strategic bomber. The Valkyrie XB-70 was a true air monster. With an impressive wingspan of 32 meters and a length of over 56 meters, this plane was huge. In addition, it was powered by 6 powerful turbojet engines, allowing it to reach speeds in excess of Mach 3, or more than 3,500 kilometers per hour. One of the most notable aspects of the Valkyrie XB-70 was its bold design. Its variable swept wings could adapt to different phases of flight, which improved the aircraft's aerodynamic efficiency. In addition, its unique swan's wing shape gave it a futuristic and elegant appearance. Despite its imposing size, the Valkyrie XB-70 was surprisingly maneuverable. Thanks to its innovative electric flight control system, the aircraft could perform precise maneuvers even at high speeds. It was a technological feat for the time. The Valkyrie XB-70 has generated great interest around the world. Its speed and ability to fly at high altitudes made it a true marvel of engineering. Aviation enthusiasts marveled at its imposing silhouette and impressive performance. One of the most memorable moments of the Valkyrie XB-70 was its participation in aerial demonstrations. During these events, the aircraft showed its power and grace, demonstrating to onlookers the extent of its potential. It has become one of the most popular attractions at air shows. Unfortunately, despite all the technical prowess of the Valkyrie XB-70, the project was cancelled after only a few years. Advances in intercontinental ballistic missile technology made strategic bombers less relevant, and the costs of developing and operating the Valkyrie XB-70 were too high. Making the Valkyrie XB-70 was a real engineering challenge. Teams of talented and dedicated experts worked together to bring this revolutionary aircraft to life. The manufacturing steps were rigorously planned and executed with precision. The construction of the Valkyrie XB-70 required the use of innovative and lightweight materials to guarantee both the solidity and the performance of the aircraft. Special alloys have been developed to withstand the high stresses encountered during supersonic flight. The various parts of the Valkyrie XB-70 were manufactured in specialized factories. Wings, fuselage and other components were precision assembled to form the final structure of the aircraft. Every stage of manufacturing has been subjected to rigorous quality controls to ensure the safety and reliability of the aircraft. Integrating the complex systems of the Valkyrie XB-70 was a crucial step. The navigation, communication and control systems have been carefully installed and tested to ensure optimal operation. Engineers worked closely together to ensure all systems were seamlessly integrated. After final assembly was completed, the Valkyrie XB-70 underwent a series of extensive tests to ensure it met safety and performance standards. Extensive flight testing was carried out to assess the capabilities of the aircraft under different flight conditions. Making the Valkyrie XB-70 was a feat of engineering and collaboration. Years of research, development and effort went into creating this revolutionary aircraft, which would push the boundaries of aviation. The Valkyrie XB-70 was powered by 6 powerful engines. These engines were marvels of engineering, providing exceptional power to the aircraft. Their advanced design and state-of-the-art technology were key to allowing the Valkyrie XB-70 to fly at supersonic speeds. The engines of the Valkyrie XB-70 were turbofan jet engines, capable of generating considerable thrust. Their special configuration allowed to optimize the performance of the aircraft, offering increased power while reducing aerodynamic drag. Every engine in the Valkyrie XB-70 was a real gem of technology. Their advanced combustion system and supercharger design allowed for efficient fuel combustion, maximizing the thrust produced. Thanks to the power of its engines, the Valkyrie XB-70 was able to reach impressive supersonic speeds. This allowed it to cover long distances in record time, making this aircraft a true symbol of aerospace power and technology. However, the legacy of the Valkyrie XB-70 lives on today. Many of the technologies developed for this aircraft have been used in other aerospace projects, contributing to the advancement of the industry. Its bold design and revolutionary performance have inspired engineers and aircraft designers around the world. Today, the two examples of the Valkyrie XB-70 are preserved in museums, testifying to the historical importance of this legendary aircraft. Visitors have the chance to see this engineering marvel up close and appreciate its revolutionary design. The Valkyrie XB-70 continues to inspire 21st-century aircraft designers. Its advanced aerodynamic characteristics and ability to fly at supersonic speeds remain sources of inspiration for future projects. Lessons learned from the Valkyrie XB-70 continue to shape the future of aviation. The legacy of the Valkyrie XB-70 continues in military aviation as well. The technologies developed for this aircraft have found their way into modern fighter aircraft, improving their maneuverability, speed and efficiency. The Valkyrie XB-70 has thus left an indelible mark in the field of defense. In conclusion, the Valkyrie XB-70 remains a symbol of boldness and innovation in aviation. Its majestic look and revolutionary performance have marked the history of aerospace. Whether for aviation enthusiasts, engineering enthusiasts, or the curious, the Valkyrie XB-70 continues to fascinate and amaze with its enduring heritage. Despite all the prowess of the Valkyrie XB-70, the aircraft was not free from challenges. One of the most dangerous situations he faced was when his tires exploded. The Valkyrie XB-70's oversized tires were under extreme stress when landing, which could sometimes lead to devastating crashes. Tire explosion on the Valkyrie XB-70 was a major issue that was rigorously addressed during flight testing. Engineers worked on innovative solutions to strengthen the tires and improve their resistance to high stresses. Extensive tests were carried out to ensure that the aircraft could land safely. Unfortunately, despite all efforts, tire explosion remained a potential hazard for the Valkyrie XB-70. In some cases, tire explosions could cause significant damage to the aircraft during landing, making operations more risky and costly. To minimize risk, strict protocols have been implemented during Valkyrie XB-70 operations. Ground crews carefully monitored the tires before and after each flight, ensuring they were in good condition and resilient. We explored the incredible power of the Valkyrie XB-70 engines, which propelled this aircraft to supersonic performance. Join us for our next video, where we will continue to discover the wonders of aviation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. See you soon.